Hi dears, good morning to all. Today's our subject maths. In previous class or our last class we studied first numbers and numeration up to 1000. First we studied 100, then we studied up to 1000. Then we studied 2 digits and 3 digits abacus. Also we can draw and study. I give some homework. I hope all of you completed that homework in your notebook. Then we can take today's our class we can take in expanded forms. Expanded form of the numbers in 2 digits and 3 digits we can explain here how we can do it, or what is expanded form. What is expanded? E X P A N D E D F O R M. What is expanded form? Expanded form, it means numbers writing as the addition of the place value of its digits. Addition of the place value of digits. We want to study its 2 digits and 3 digits expanded form here. First we can check in 2 digit numbers. I will write here one 2 digit number 57. Writing 2 digits 7 and 5, 7 ones, 5 tens. We already know that numbers place value 7 ones, 5 tens. We can write down this like, first we can take one column, then here we can write 10 ones. Okay, then how many tens here? 5 tens. How many ones? 7 ones. We can write another mode. 5 tens means 50. 7 ones means 7. Then we can write here 57 is equal to 50 plus 7. 50 plus 7, 57. This is the form of expanded form. This like we can write down the numbers. We can write how many tens, how many ones. This like we can say expanded form. We can write in addition like how many 5 tens here. 5 tens means 50. We can write 50 plus 7 ones means 7. 50 plus 7, 57. This is the form of expanded. Then another example I will give. 63. How many tens here? 6 tens and 3 ones. We can write down again this like one column you can draw. Then tens, ones. How many tens? 6 tens. How many ones? 3 ones. We can write down this like 6 tens means 60. 3 ones means 3. Then 63 means 60 plus 3. 60 plus 3. This is 63. Then I give some examples here. First again I will explain this one. 57. How many tens here? 5 tens, 7 ones. 5 tens means 50. 7 ones means 7. We can write down again this like 50 plus 7, 57. 50 plus 7, 57. As the form of addition of the place value of its digit is expanded form. I will again say that addition of the place value of its digits. Addition of the place value of its digits is expanded form. Here another example 63. How we can write it? First we can write tens, ones. How many tens? 6 tens. How many ones? 3 ones. Then we can write down this like 60 plus 3. 6 tens means 60. 3 ones means 3. Then 60 plus 3, 63. Then we can check it 3 digit numbers expanded form. I will give more examples and you can write. I will give some numbers also you can write down as your homework. I will give them. In this time we can check it 3 digit numbers expanded form. Next we can check it 3 digit numbers expanded form. I hope all of you understand that how we can do it expanded form in 2 digits. Then we can study 3 digit numbers expanded form. 3 digit numbers expanded form. Listen here. I write here 564. I write here 3 digit numbers 4, 6, 5. How many ones here? 4 ones. How many tens? 6 tens. How many hundred? 500. 4 ones equal to 4. 6 tens equal to 60. 500 is equal to 500. How we can expand this one? First we can write column. This is not important for your writing. Your notebook just like a column. I just explain how we can do it. You don't want to draw this column in your notebook. I just show how we can do it. We can write letters. H means 100. T means tens. O means ones. O means ones. Then numbers 564. 100, 5. Then 6 tens, 4 ones. How we can write it? 500 means 500. 500. 6 tens means 60. 4 ones means 4. Then you can again write this like 564 is equal to 500 plus 60 plus 4. Addition of the place value of its digits we can say expanded form. Addition of the place value of the digits we can say that expanded form. What is addition here? 500. Then 6 tens 60. Then 4 ones 4. Plus we can got a 500 plus 60 plus 4 we got a 564. I give another example. 903. 903. How we can write this like again we can draw one box column. 100 tens ones. Then how many 100 here? 900. How many tens? 0 tens. No want to write anything here. We can draw 1 0. Then 3 ones. We can again 900 means 900. 0 tens means 0. 3 ones means 3. Then we can write down this like 900 plus 0 plus 3. We can write here 903. 900 plus 0 plus 3. 903. Again another example. 630. 630. How we can write this like how many? 100 tens ones. How many 100 here? 600. How many tens? 3 tens. How many ones? 0 ones. We can write down 600 means this like 600. 3 tens means 30. 0 ones means only we can put in 0. Then here like 630 is equal to 600 plus 30. Then now want to write 0. Is there no writing? Here we can write 630. 630. 600 plus 30 plus 0. Now want that if you have you can write that only. Again listen how is it? 564. 564. How we can write? 500. 6 tens 4 ones. That means 564. 500 plus 60 plus 4. This is 564. Then another example 903. 900 plus 0 plus 3. 900 plus 0 plus 3. 903. Then 630 or 630. 600 means 60. 3 ones means 30. 0 ones 600. 630. 600 plus 30. This is expanded form. Then I will give some homework to you. You can complete it in your notebook and I will explain. If you have any doubt, you can personally message me how you can do it. I will explain what is that.